is lesson 11, the draw loop solution to the assessment. And this lesson was all about, well, the draw loop and starting to give our animation some motion. Let's read the instructions. Updating properties. This level is very similar to the last, but this time you'll add in the draw loop yourself. Do this. Add the draw loop block to the bottom of the program. Move any blocks that need to be inside the draw loop. Move onward. Your program looks like the picture on the right. We've got a shaky salt shaker. So we're going to go to the draw loop. We're going to add the draw loop. Where's the draw loop? It's right here. And draw at the bottom. And the background is going to go right there. And then draw sprites is going to go right here. And we need to change the Y value of the sprite over and over again randomly. We're at 200, 200, and we need the Y to change by about 10. So that's going to go from 200 to 10 randomly, and this has got to be called salt.y. I think that should do it. Yay. Nailed it. One interesting thing here is, I'm gonna change this to 350, 340. That is fine. In order to exaggerate this, serious salting going on here. And what happens if you don't have the background? The draw sprites is I think a little more obvious. Like that's what renders the image. It like draws the image on the page. But why do we have this background? Why do we have to update the background every time? If we take that out and redo it, look what happens. Every time it draws a salt shaker, the salt shaker stays there. If you don't have that, if you don't redraw your background over the top of it to clear it out, this is what happens. So that's why that background block has to go within the function. We have to call that every time we redraw the sprite. So let's check the rubric and see how we did. The sprite animates as described in the instructions. Other setups, such as creating the sprite, happen outside the draw loop, and there are no extra blocks. All right. I think that's good. Exciting. Thanks for watching. Let's move on. See you next time.